Hey everyone, welcome back. Ready for another deep dive. Today we're tackling something that might seem small, but trust me, it's a total game changer, especially if you spend any time in Excel.
Oh yeah, this one's a biggie even though it's, well, kind of tiny.
Exactly. We're talking about keyboard shortcuts, specifically one that can save you a ton of time and frustration.
Because let's be honest, nobody likes clicking through endless tabs in a giant spreadsheet,
It's
right?
the digital equivalent of wading through mud.
Yeah.
So, what's this magical shortcut we're about to unlock?
Get ready for this, folks. Control plus page up and Control plus page down.
Okay, at first glance, I'm not seeing the fireworks, but I'm definitely intrigued.
Think about it. You're working on a massive budget with sheets for every department, revenue projections, scenarios. Instead of clicking each tab, you just zoom through them with these keystrokes.
Hold on. So instead of clicking, I'm basically teleporting between
Yeah.
sheets.
You got it. Pure Excel magic. And listen to this, power users. You can even use Corello plus Shift plus Page Up Down to select multiple sheets at once, grouping, 3D references. It's a whole new world.
That's a pro tip right there. You got to try that. But even just for regular Excel folks like me, moving between sheets faster, that's huge.
It really is. Think about those tiny seconds you save every single time you switch sheets. It adds up.
Plus, it keeps you in the zone, right?
Yeah.
No need to hunt for the mouse, break your concentration, your fingers stay on the keyboard, you're focused on the data.
Exactly. Staying in that flow state is so important, especially when you're dealing with complex stuff. You don't want your brain to switch gears unnecessarily.
It's like efficiency ninja moves for Excel. But speaking of efficiency, are there any downsides to this shortcut? Anything we should watch out for?
Hmm. Not really. It's pretty straightforward. Just gotta remember it works based on the order of your sheets, not how you visually arrange them.
Gotcha. Makes sense. But once you get the hang of it, sounds like a total game changer.
Totally agree. It makes you wonder, right? What other small things could we tweak in our workflows or even daily life to unlock more efficiency?
Like maybe it's finally organizing that overflowing inbox or figuring out a smoother morning routine.
Exactly. Sometimes those little changes can have the biggest impact on how we work and live.
Food for thought, everyone. So next time you're battling a massive spreadsheet, remember, Control plus page up down. It's the efficiency ninja move you didn't know you needed. Until next time.